Over the past 30 days, I've made over $50,000 making TikToks, but believe me, it has not always been this easy. When I first started, my videos were barely getting even 200 views. It truly felt like a constant uphill battle. But now that I've cracked the code to going viral, my videos consistently get millions of views and I make thousands of dollars a day doing it. So in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can do this too. To get a lot of views and followers, you first need to understand how the TikTok algorithm really works. The main job of TikTok's algorithm is to make sure it puts your content in front of the right people. It doesn't care too much about the content itself, what time you post, or how frequently you post. Its sole purpose is to put the content in front of those who will enjoy it. So long as you are not posting content that is against the community guidelines, you can go viral. Let's break down the 3 main things you should focus on to help the algorithm get your content in front of the right people. The first one is swipe through rate. Swipe through rate is the measurement of how many people stop scrolling to watch their video. If your video's swipe through rate is low, that's a good thing, because that means your hook is captivating enough to grab the viewer's attention, stop them in their tracks from scrolling, and get them to watch your video. The annoying thing is, it's very difficult to measure this metric because TikTok doesn't necessarily track your swipe through rate on any visual dashboard tracker that you can see. So we need to improvise. While we can't measure the swipe through rate, we can do things to ensure that people will stop scrolling when they see your videos. To immediately boost your swipe through rate, start with a very compelling hook. If people don't watch the first 3 seconds, you'll never capture their attention and it will never go viral. For example, if your video is about fitness tips, rather than saying best 3 fitness tips, you could say something like, are you making this major mistake in your daily workout routine? This immediately fosters curiosity and will stop viewers in their tracks to make sure they watch your video. Also, you ideally want to make sure that your video is eye-catching. High quality, visually appealing content is more likely to catch attention. You need to remember that there are thousands of videos being uploaded to TikTok every day, and you only have 3 seconds to capture somebody's attention. You want to plan how you're going to be captivating your viewers' attention before you even begin creating the video. Once you have their attention, you can focus on good editing and storytelling to help keep them engaged to watch the remainder of your video. If you don't know how to do this, look at any viral video on the platform and you'll soon understand what makes a good TikTok. You can even use these viral videos to inspire the content that you plan to create. Before I move on to the next step, if you truly are struggling to go viral and you want to work with me one-on-one, I'll put a link to the Your First Dollar Discord community in the description below. Once you have hooked your viewer in, it is now time to keep their attention. That is because watch time is a very important factor to consider when trying to make viral content, and it is going to be the second part of the process. How long somebody watches your TikTok video is very important for the TikTok algorithm. A higher watch time means that your video is holding your viewers' attention for longer, which is a pretty clear indicator to TikTok that your video is good. For example, if your video is on a workout routine, start with a shocking or even controversial piece of advice, and then provide detailed instructions and end with a personal testimonial, story, or transformation. Make sure your video is structured to keep viewers engaged from start to finish. You might want to tease the fact that something cool or interesting is going to be happening at the end of the video. For reference, that is something called a retention tactic. If the most exciting part of the video is in the beginning, well, then people have no reason to watch until the end. But if you save the most exciting part until the end, there's going to be a lot more people watching through the full video because, well, they want to see that part. When people hear the term watch time, they often think it only means how long people watch the video. There's other things you should be considering when measuring watch time. Because let's say you have two videos. One received 15 seconds of watch time and the other received 10. Which one should go more viral? A lot of people would say that it's going to be the 15-second one just because of the watch time. More people watching the video, regardless of how long they watched, will equate to more watch time, at least in the eyes of the TikTok algorithm. Therefore, the video that's only received an average of 10 seconds watch time could outperform the video that received the average of 15 seconds. While the algorithm values videos that will keep people watching all the way to the end, it's not the only thing that it considers. If your video has a high watch time, TikTok will use this to determine that your video is engaging and relevant. But without likes, comments, and shares, regardless if you have a good hook and high watch time, your video still might not go viral. Engagement rate is how many people like, comment, save, or share your video relative to the number of views. A high engagement rate tells TikTok that your content is resonating with viewers so much that they are actually engaging with it. To create engagement, focus on creating content that invokes emotions. That's that term emotional spark you hear thrown around a bunch, or encourages interactions. For example, you might share a relatable story or a controversial opinion to spark discussion. Asking a question in your video can always help boost engagement. For example, tell me in the comments below how many views the most recent TikTok you posted got. You can encourage viewers to engage by adding clear calls to action. Interacting with your audience by responding to comments is a great way to drum up even more engagement on the video that you've created, and can also give you comments that you can reply to in the future. What I've seen work best on fostering engagement is making content around topics that involve a lot of discussion. TikTok's algorithm will promote content that incentivizes a lot of engagement, because that is a clear indicator in one way or another people are watching it. The more engagement your content receives, the more likely it is to be shown to a larger audience. To summarize, mastering swipe through rate, watch time, and engagement rate are three crucial pillars to creating viral content on TikTok. By crafting compelling hooks, telling engaging stories, and fostering interactions, you can create short-form content that resonates with the viewers and will perform well on the TikTok platform. And if you follow everything that I've said in this video, you will go viral. But if you're looking for some extra help, check out this video right here.